School of Business, 2020, which is up 6 from last year. Located in the French Alps, Grenoble is best team means management. MIM is 2 years, strong in data, AI and innovation. $86,800 salary reported for 2025, 97% employed in 3 months, up from 87% and 88% international. For Indian engineers pivoting into product management or analytics, this is a sweet spot. Now scrolling down to Audencia, wow, again another biggest jump of the year, up 18 places to number 25. Based in Nantes, a very student-friendly coastal city. The MIM is 2 years, known for marketing and sustainability. $2,200 salary reported for 2025, 100% employed in 3 months from 85% and 75% international. Great option if you want a smaller, community-oriented school, but clearly on the rise.